Tell me about vampires.
Vampires? Vampires?
Yeah, you're vampires. Tell me about them.
Oh, well, they dress up in a vampire costume and then they become a vampire.
And what do vampires do?
They just live around to eat someone.
They do?
Yeah. But you know vampire so now you know.
Okay. And what happens when they take the vampire costume off?
And then they look for gold.
Oh, then they're pirates after that?
Yeah.
And they look for gold? Okay. And that's everything you have to tell me about vampires?
Yeah.
Okay.